I can't believe it's finally today, our first day in middle school. Are you interested?
Yeah, I heard they even have computers in every classroom.
Wow, I also want to see the library, do you know? Yesterday, we read about Prophet Ilyas, but do you remember who carried on his mission?
Yes, it was Prophet Al-Yasa. He was chosen by Allah to guide the people after Prophet Ilyas.
Exactly. I read that Prophet Al-Yasa reminded the people of the same truth. After Prophet Ilyas, Allah chose Prophet Al-Yasa to continue his mission. He was wise, patient, and loved Allah deeply. The people lived in a land full of blessings, but many forgot Allah. They worshipped false gods and became greedy. Prophet Al-Yasa reminded them gently,
O my people, worship only Allah, the one who gives you rain, food, and life. Do not forget Him.
Some listened and followed him, but many refused. Even then, Al-Yasa stayed patient. He never gave up. Allah gave him miracles to guide the people. When food ran out, Allah blessed them with more. When people were sick, Allah healed them through Al-Yasa's prayers. These signs showed that he was a true prophet. Though many hearts were stubborn, Prophet Al-Yasa continued teaching kindness, justice, and faith in Allah. He spent his life reminding people of the truth and never stopped doing good. Yeah, we arrived at the school.
Yay! Let's start our first day in school.